Hey, this is Paul with ConvertingCopy.com, and today a quick tutorial on how to easily sign up for the Amazon Associates affiliate program. This is Amazon's affiliate system. They have the largest affiliate program on the planet because they have the largest store on the planet. And what this does is anytime someone purchases something on Amazon after going through your link, you get a percentage of that purchase. And that percentage can vary depending on how much you've sold and different niches within the Amazon kind of umbrella, if you will. But it's definitely worth it to sign up for this program, and you can feature as many of their products as you want on your website. You can review them, talk about them, and offer up an affiliate link. And then when someone clicks through that link and purchases it, like I said, you get that percentage of every sale. So very easy to sign up. You can either go to affiliate-program.amazon.com, or you can go to amazon.com itself and navigate down to the bottom and click Become an Affiliate. That's going to bring up the same page right here. You're going to click Join for free. Let me close these other tabs now. And it's going to first, getting ahead of myself here, first it's going to have you enter some account information. So you're going to put in your name, your address, things like that. All pretty straightforward. And then, let's see, let's go back here. And then it's going to take you to the next tab, which is the website and mobile app list. And this is where you put in any websites which you're going to be featuring Amazon ads on. So let's go ahead and just put in ConvertingCopy.com. And I missed a slash there. Make sure you put in the right format. There you go. I'm going to put in a couple more sites here. Let's see. You can put up to 50 websites here, so there's a pretty high ceiling on how many websites you can feature Amazon ads on under one account. If you need more than 50 websites, obviously you could go ahead and just create a second account. You can also add in any mobile app URLs that you are going to be using. And I'm going to click Next, and they're going to ask you, are any of the websites or mobile apps directed at children under 13? Has to do with privacy and just safety laws passed for kids. I'm going to say no in this case because that does not apply to me. And now you're going to set your preferred associate store ID. I'm just going to say, let's go with that. And what are your websites about? In my case, ConvertingCopy.com. Well, I'm just going to say primarily teaching people how to succeed in their niches. There you go. And scroll down a bit. Which of the following topics best describes your websites or mobile apps? Let's see, education. That's the big one. I'm going to go with computers as number 2. And what kind of items do you intend to list on your site? I'm going to go ahead and say electronics, maybe computers and office. I might recommend some of that stuff. Digital downloads for sure. And maybe the odd movie, music, or game. And just tick whatever is relevant to your site. And I'm going to go... And it's asking what type are your websites or mobile apps. Converting Copy is obviously a content website. And secondary, I'm going to add blog. And now they're going to ask you, how do you drive traffic to your website? In my case, it's largely SEO. A little bit of other, because I guess I have some, maybe some affiliate links I'll have in some ebooks and things like that. I'm going to say email. Marketing is a big thing. Every now and then I do some paid search, but probably not really for this. And hit blogs too, just to cover my bases. All right, and how do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? I guess these are the other affiliate. I do use some ClickBank, things like that. That is not even showing up on here. Commission Junction, another huge affiliate program, obviously. Guess that's about it. How do you usually build links? They give you some options here. We have content management system is WordPress. I'm not really sure why they're putting that twice there. How many total unique visitors do your websites and apps get per month? I guess all total, somewhere in the 5,000 to 50,000. Might be more than that actually, but I'm going to stick with that for now. What is the primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? Oh, I thought that said to get rich off of the content on my site. To get rich content for my site. I don't want to monetize a little bit too, but that's fine. How do they hear about us? Obviously. Just say from Amazon itself. And we'll just go in and type in this CAPTCHA there. Agree to the terms. We are done. And there we go. And now I have my unique ID. And they're going to ask you for payment and tax information. I'll do that later. And now, if we go ahead and they're telling you before we can pay, we need your tax information, obviously. So you have all your behind the scenes analytics and things like that now. And now if I go to product links from their menu system here, you can search for whatever you want to search for. All right, let's just search for, say, desktop. We'll get a desktop computer here. And it's giving us a whole bunch of options here. And we can sort these just like we would in Amazon itself, by price, newest arrivals. We can get customer reviews. We just make sure we're recommending the highest rated options. Not really sure why this lower price is crossed out for a higher price. That doesn't seem like a great deal necessarily. But so there's two ways to get links for our affiliate links to use on our site. We can either click get link right here, and you can see we have kind of the shorter version if you want. You can just copy paste that on your website and that works, but we can also just go to Amazon itself like we normally would, like we're browsing for whatever we want to buy. And anytime we see something that we like and we're saying, okay, I like this, but I'd also like to share it with my audience, I want to talk about this on my site and have an affiliate link for it, we can just go up here and it'll say get text link, image link, or text plus image. Normally I like to just have the text link because then I can have my own images. I can kind of control how it's being displayed. So I'm going to click on that. And again, I have the kind of full ugly link or the shorter link. And the short link doesn't look bad, but I personally recommend it for using a WordPress run website, which I know many of you are. There is a free plugin called, which I've talked about before, called Pretty Links. Or Pretty Link, one or the other, but it basically just lets you dress up and display your links however you want. So it's great for affiliate links. So you can paste in this as still being the destination URL in your Pretty Links when you're creating one, and you can then make the display link as whatever you want. So I could make this convertingcopy.com / in this case HP 8300 or something like that. And I just think that looks a lot better when someone sees that link as opposed to this link right here. And you can even designate it as a sponsored link within Pretty Link, which is great for affiliate links. So the code is all done for you, and you have that much more attractive link, which you can then paste in, as an image link, or you can just paste it in as your text, however you want to do it. But that's pretty much it. So now, definitely sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. You have access to their entire massive database of products, and you'll get a piece anytime someone purchases one via your affiliate link. And you'll find the larger the store you have access to, the more products you have, obviously the more options you'll have, the more opportunities and instances where you'll say to yourself, oh, I could promote this product when I'm writing about this or this or this. Obviously be transparent, tell people that this is an affiliate link they're clicking on, tell them this is a product which you recommend. I think that is the best way to do it. This is, something you use yourself. I recommend mostly just promoting the products which you yourself use. You stand behind them, but definitely make sure to have that transparency. But that's all there is to it. Very simple to sign up. It's free, and a lot of people are making a very nice living just by promoting Amazon products. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comment section below. And please subscribe if you have not. I am Paul from convertingcopy.com. I'll see you next time.